Okie dokie. You guys have asked for it over the years. Here it is. Here is what's in my suitcase, what's in my bag. And as a digital nomad for the past 4 years, this is pretty much everything I own that is physical. You know, I own online businesses, of course, but over the years I've gotten smaller and smaller. 4 years ago when I first came out here to Thailand, I had a suitcase that was a little bit bigger than this and a backpack, but this is it. This is essentialism, minimalism, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Yeah, let's start with the backpack. So I got this North Face backpack in the Saigon markets, and their North Face stuff tends to be really high quality. It's lasted me like almost 3 years now. So inside the backpack, I have the GH5 camera. Yeah, GH5 that I'm filming this with, and that has the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. It's the newest one. It's about 300 bucks, and yeah, that's what I've been filming with for the past 9 months or so. But before that, I started my channel just with a simple G7X point and shoot camera. But yeah, mic about 300 bucks, GH5 about 2,500 bucks. This is the case that I got for it. I got this on Amazon. I really love it. Don't know the brand, but this is what it looks like. Maybe about 25 bucks. And so I keep my camera in my backpack when I'm traveling. Also, this is just a little knapsack bag, and I keep my camera accessories in here while I'm traveling. So I have this little random thing that I keep my camera batteries in there. This is a lavalier mic by Boya is the brand. You can buy them online on Amazon, and what I like about this is it's got 2 lavaliers, so you can, for interviews, this is what I use. So it's like a 2-in-1 thing. Sound quality is good, and everything will be linked below. If something's not, then let me know. I'll try to have my VA. And here's another one with just a single one if I want to do lectures. So for my course, this is what I use for my lectures. I clip this on to inside of my shirt. Camera, battery, charger. I did have like a 2-in-1 charger, but I left it in some hotel. Yeah, so that's camera accessories. Let's jump right into the laptop. So this is how I pull out my laptop every day. MacBook Pro 13-inch. 2015 model. It was the latest model that had all of the USB ports. I actually bought it at Mac Cafe here in Chiang Mai, which is where I am right now. All the specs are maxed out, so max RAM, memory, and stuff like that. This is actually my favorite part though, is this semi-rigid laptop case. I found this on Amazon. I looked for like a rigid laptop case, a heavy-duty laptop case. So I keep this just in my backpack and slide it in to here every day just for that added protection. Brand is called Unique, and I really love this. And this actually fits into a standard like knapsack like this. So actually, occasionally I will go out, put this in this knapsack, and just do minimalist laptop in there. And here, this has been in my backpack for a couple years. It's just like a little, I don't know, organizer. I have like extra passport photos in there, random like SIM cards, stuff like that. I keep some pens in there for going through immigration. You always need to sign stuff. Yeah, random SIM card. Where is this from? Simpati Telkomsel. This is, oh yeah, my Bali SIM card. I keep a Sharpie. I always try to label my shit. So inside my camera, on my camera, I put my Facebook address so people anywhere in the world can contact me on Facebook if they find my thing. Here's a little paper clip for switching out SIM cards. Global Sources gave this to us at like some summit, I forget. With the Payoneer pen. So I keep that kind of right in there. And here I also keep a mask. I use this for when I sleep on planes. More about that in a second. And I keep always in here power bank about this size with the iPhone for charging. Of course, I just keep this Mac charger. I just got a new one yesterday. Actually, a semi-used one from Mac Cafe. Yeah, got this yesterday. My previous one was all chewed up, so I got a new one. And in here, what do I have? In the front, I keep some DO, you know, for emergency uses in my backpack. I have some eye drops for emergency use and one of these Thai nose inhaler things. In the side, sunscreen always on deck. some breath mints just in case. And this is a shopping bag. Got this in Bali because in Bali they have outlawed plastic bags, so these are everywhere. So I keep this rolled up for when shopping in Bali. And random change I keep over there. Oh, this is one thing. This is a wide angle lens for your phone that I keep clipped on right there. And occasionally when I'm in a cafe and I want to take like a wide angle lens of the cafe, I'll use that. So yeah, this goes in there. Camera that's filming right now, inside of that goes in there. Zip, zippy, zip. That's my backpack. All right, this is my suitcase. I actually bought this one in Bangkok at a Tesco, so like a Walmart type thing, and it's been good. It's been like a little, maybe over a year. I really like it. Brand is Geo Army. It's probably like 2,000 baht, so like 60 bucks. It has a lock mechanism right there. So let me show you what is in the suitcase of Les Plages. So right away you will notice these packing cubes. So this is where my clothes go. So one of them is for boxers and tank tops. I probably have like 5 to 7 pairs of boxers and like maybe 5 tank tops or something, including Under Armour compression shorts. These are for running and working out. And I used to have 2 pair, but I lost one of them. Now I only have 1. Handful of socks for running. I recently got more cushy socks for running. Yeah, like I said, handful of tank tops and boxers, and I roll them up. And in the other one, t-shirts. So I have a handful of t-shirts in my life, maybe like 5 to 7, and I roll them up like this. It's not perfect, but I kind of do one fold and then roll like that, and gotta stick it in like that. Like I said, it's not perfect. If you know a perfect situation to avoid wrinkles, let me know. I think the perfect situation is getting wrinkle-free clothes. And then over here, I have rolled up a few pairs of shorts. So I have like 4 pairs of shorts in my life. So 2 pairs of black, kind of like workout type shorts, these light blue ones, and then like a dark blue khaki type thing. So yeah, 4 pairs of shorts. That all fits in one. And then one pair of jeans. These are American Eagle Flex Fit Next Level Flex Super Bomb. I got these recently in Bangkok. This is one long sleeve Nike kind of runner fleece type thing. I use this for Starbucks. Yes, I got this because of Starbucks, because Starbucks can be freezing cold sometimes. And in Bangkok, there's one particular that's freezing cold, so I bring this when I go to that Starbucks if I need to bundle up. This is kind of a little duffel bag that I keep important shit in. So I got this little thing in here, keeps my passports. Yes, I have 2 passports, motherfuckers. One is full and one is my current one. Extra headphones in there. And then I have this little waterproof pack in here. This is what I use every Songkran, which is the water festival here in Thailand, which is why I also have this waterproof case, which I just used recently, this Songkran, and last one, so I kept it the whole way. This is my used laundry. So usually in this part of the world, you get your laundry done for you. This was 115 baht that I got done the other day. That's like 3 or 4 bucks. And then I keep my dirty laundry just in the same bag they gave it back to. A couple of tripods, a knee brace that I was testing out for CrossFit. This is computer glasses that this company sent me for free, Firmoo. They sent me these for free. I don't really use them. If you would like these, I'll give them away to someone. To enter the giveaway, leave a comment with hashtag living that life on this video, thumbs up this video, be subscribed, and also follow me on Instagram and leave hashtag living that life on a recent Instagram post. All right, now the other side, this kind of has these pockets here, CrossFit jump rope, keep that right in here. some melatonin to try to get my sleep schedule back into a reasonable hour when I need to. These are some Living That Life stickers. Also, if you'd like to win some Living That Life stickers, do the same thing I just said. CrossFit jump rope. And here, random, like some antibiotics in here that I got just in case, backup phone. And in here, extra Ziploc bags, and you'll see those in a second. And here, these are called, maybe you see me posted on Instagram, this is called the seat sleeper, and it straps your head to the headrest on a plane so you can sleep better and so your head doesn't fall over. I have 2 of these. I will be giving one of these away as well. Comment, like I said before, and tell me what you're interested in. Okay. This thing zips out, flips over. So in here I have various Ziploc bags, as you can see. This is a power strip. I got this recently. It is a Xiaomi one, and it's nice. It's got 3 USB chargers here and 4 frickin' plugs. And I plug this in wherever I am staying by my bedside to charge phone with this, charge other stuff with that. You will see fresh off the plane, Pittsburgh in the name. This Bluetooth speaker has been my ride or die for 5 years actually. Just keep that right there. I actually won this at my corporate job at Comcast because I did some sales competition or something. I won this in like 2013. It's been rocking for me for what, 6 years now? Holy crap. So yeah, shout out Wiz. And these are basically 5 plastic Ziploc bags with random accessories. This one in here, here's the charger for the Bluetooth speaker. This is a wireless cordless hair cutter for those random haircuts. If you need it, if there's no barber in town or no barber around when you're traveling, it can come in handy. And here, this is a 20,000 power bank, Facebook address on there, and of course 20,000 power bank. This is for more like home use. GoPro, this is a fake GoPro some company gave me. I lost my GoPro 6 recently, so random just like cords and shit in there, GoPro chargers, GoPro accessories in that one, random little cases that come with shit. And here, more GoPro accessories, GoPro housing, another lavalier mic, charger, GoPro charger, 1 light, USB or LED light, but I've never used it. And here, toiletry bag. This is toiletry bag. So frequently, I would keep this actually in my backpack when I travel, because just in case, if you need to brush your teeth or something, if there's a layover or a delay or something. This is another little bag with other hella GoPro accessories. GoPro is taking up a lot of real estate compared to how much I use it. This is my wallet, a wallet, and I keep my cards and stuff in here. But as you'll see in a second, I don't carry a wallet. You will see that in a second. This is my podcast USB mic, Audio Technica. I think it's like A2020 Plus podcast mic, podcast USB mic. And I'll use that occasionally for Zoom podcasts, etc., etc. Pretty nicely in there, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, throw that in there, and then flip this over, and I'll show you my favorite thing right here in a second. My favorite thing. So this closes up nicely. Make sure this is all zipped, and then fold it over like that. Boom! Ready to go, Oh, and I do have one kind of dress shirt. I got this for my talk here in Chiang Mai recently. I usually don't wear dress shirts, but anyway, yeah. So my favorite thing, so as I mentioned, I don't carry a wallet. So I have this thing. It sticks onto the back of your phone, holds your cash, and holds multiple cards in there. And it has this little finger strap here, extra security, kind of like a pop socket functionality. And I've been using this for over a year, maybe a year and a half. Even in Southeast Asia, when you use lots of cash, it holds tons of cash. So yeah, I've been living no wallet life for the past, like 1.5 years. My mom has one, my dad has one, and yeah, so this is the only thing I carry when I go out. I carry my phone. Usually I have AirPods, of course, but I actually lost them recently. I'm getting a new pair, I just ordered them. So recently I've been just using regular corded headphones. Of course, motorbike key, because I zoom around all the time in this part of the world. But yeah, okay, how much time is it? 20 minutes? All right, guys, yeah, that is it. That is in what's in my bag. What are you bumping? I'm bumping the new Wiz Khalifa right now. Woo! Should I just keep this playing in the airport? All right, guys, peace. See you around the world. I'm headed to Bangkok tonight, and I'm headed to Bali tomorrow, and living that life, baby. Peace. Hit me up. Yo, thanks for watching that video till the end. If you liked it, I guarantee you're gonna like the hundreds of other videos that I have on this channel. So right now, I would like to ask you to click that big ass subscribe button right now. It's totally free. It's just like following me on Instagram. It's just gonna make it a little bit more likely that YouTube suggests my videos to you down the road. And if you get bored of my face in the future, you can always just stop clicking on my videos and they will stop showing up as often. So thanks for helping me get to 100K. I'm gonna get back to work and I'll see you on the next video.